Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2013 Honda VT750 Shadow Phantom Edition. This bike's got just a little under 2,500 miles on it and is in near mint condition. I found two little imperfections on it, but nothing major. So let's take a walk around this all stock motorcycle and then we'll fire it up. Overall, this bike has been kept very, very clean. I got kind of a little crooked here. There, that makes it a little easier to look at. Tires are in great shape, got plenty of miles left on that. As you can see, it's got the smoked out lens covers. So here's one little imperfection I found. There's one little scratch here on the air cleaner. And the rear end has got the smoked out lens covers as well. You can see by the back tire that's in great shape. With only 2,500 miles on it, it's really basically still ready to rock and roll for you. So I guess here's what you could call the other imperfection. The name badge has been taken off the left side, but not the right side. So I don't know if you'd call it an imperfection or not, but all I can guess is they were trying to get it off and they only got the one off. But like I said, otherwise this bike is really nice and clean. That's why I call it near mint. Got one little scratch and that. 2806 is what's on this bike actually. This 750 Phantom will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.